te halor kani kadin rupna hi ka special investigation team hi bala clear do SPCT hi kila yo kem yo bedan kti ban kani kala khamjuat hi ka case ban nakadaw ba ngimlap hi ka motive kedi thumu ban Pyniap yo khna bamdan kanu ada passion ka ba dan kata sexual assault ne kan dan kata ransom but hakaju ko uni di khna kun sweat hi ti kata motive ka kham long hi ban yo ke ka jing thumu jung breu ban Pyniap yo khna hakaju opor ni wat ni la bun ni ngathai hidan kituk atuk ni nai ni la ong ba ki dan ki breu di ba ni suba rei ka jing e ka long ban yin dan ta evidence bangin la ban poi shidu shaki ne ban kem yaki te hadin katu kan banai kun ta la ru banai e te ni la yo katu kan ni evidence joka forensic e but kiwi evidence ru kun ki technical evidence ni la yo but hadin bingi la ka SIT kala beteng lang gini ki evidence but ni sa lab yo uni ubri ba Pyniap ke hak tugas ni hi uni khna uni breu Pyniap bu poteng bu Kennedy concert like po arts nam ula Pyniap yo nakadaw tang ba uni khna saila kwa ban wan yarap yo ban sai kata top de uni breu dan hi kata ka history ka ba khamlong violent na kham dan quickly de ula top ya ka shintur jung bat hani kata ra yu ha top tap yu ha top hadu bandayap nak tahu sei kamen ta usabu shadin yang dia hadian bekila kalawan katumi bat wahian ju paratmi ju kata handa kata seperti tap no yu to kena haka berni bat upan untuk paratmi ju ya kata seperti bat net bos desha moban de kata ketika jinja kerja hakata kesini hak pratre de hadin kata hi itu i kemesan hi jong tu khna hi la FIR ni la register mar hi la form de SIT but menta kesini hi yo kem yo ni but lesai ni sa remand yo ni sa pan remand police remand yo khnang bangin yo ban toket Pyniap susu ban yo toket ki jan ki khagnur kom Pyniap but ngin reconstruct ya ka sequence jong ka crime te kontai mishpo
ba akapor uset tu dia uset itu kelum deh suntur ti yab lere kum dune
yab hayeng yab
atop
long how did you die
long ubreu haka jingdom hi ra be tu khna uset bat khumut bat suntur ai thap yu ha top ke ti kata ka top kebadan shiteng ti thap yu ta mau ukhna nga thai ula yap hi shwa ban thap yu ha top ba masin thap yu ha top thum ki sho kamen to say no ka kamen manta bat usabu shadish ka tonia
so yung violence bashit klima Radon ke kes previously
ni ngila te dan hem ki kes rek ladan ki kes ma baklam register hi lai suk hi paramaki ki ladan hi ki kes ki ba klawan jing ai jing ujor he and rek ladan ke jing suk paramaki hi
bukan idang data first degree
kani ka first case panong ban register ka case yes
so ka jing suk kata long kandai long kadi si lok ne ka khaman hukum
kadi ka jing show ka dom ki dan ki ya don ke jing ka ja ndrei bat itai lok chung hu bala ye yu ru kadan ka history ka ba shit show klam don hi di thu klam ulamut hi long hadian ba kilawan ki pudat hadian tio artio lai tio si banai hadian kata long ulai kan ba umut ba dan bagi pulat kin tlan no kan abam lap hak tu ka klemat hi tu yom yo ye isu kan thì hadin si banai jai hadin arla jai tu la sung lai lui
Pikem ni yo ni pikem ni yung sa ju
ni sa ju.
So Babu, my question is, Nongrah police has created its reputation of excellence, past so many cases back. So my question was, how difficult was crack
To
this
solve
case?
this case.
The pressure on you and the team.
See, the pressure is number one is I had more pressure because we had solved Sonam case and it was a difficult one, and this being a local case and all that, why can't we solve? And most people thought that it's going to turn into a cold case, that we had forgotten this case and we are looking at only high profile cases, or we are looking at if somebody is from outside, then we would pay attention. But if a person from our own state, something happens to them, we will not even give much attention. That was the refrain all throughout. But we don't work like that. We are professionals. The team is very professional, and once we have a case, it doesn't matter who what kind of background he comes from. A case is a case. This boy is an orphan. We never forgot this case from day one. We kept trying, and me and my team, SPCT, myself, we knew in the hearts of heart that yes, we keep trying, we will get something. So we are trying to uphold the level of professionalism and excellence in policing, and that's why class and caste does not matter, community does not matter. Yeah. See, difficulty number, I've already said, the motive is the first thing. Secondly, you could suspect the family, you could suspect neighbors. You don't have reason for anybody, because he's an orphan. Why would you kill a child who's 7 years? Nobody has asked for ransom. There's no sexual assault on that child. The child is living with somebody else. He's not living as domestic help also, where people will, let's say, they child labor, and because of the hardship, he must have died and all that. He didn't perform what they're doing. So, as he's not a domestic help also. So all these factors didn't actually sit in well where we could get the motive. So it became very difficult. Devansh, you would say anything?
So adding to what you've said, one of the things that was difficult, like sir said, was he did not have parents. We did not have that motive also. His parents had some rivalry or some enmity with someone else. So that angle was also ruled out. A child, he could not have harmed anybody. That angle was ruled out. So these, amongst the other reasons mentioned, was why this case took a little longer to solve. But eventually, we hopefully have reached the logical conclusion.
We had more than 10 to 12 suspects out here, and it took a long time to write off any of the suspects out here. That's why people would come, you've got anything. But it took a long time, because unless I have evidence, I really cannot pinpoint, I cannot zero down on that. It's easy to pinpoint, oh yes, this fellow might be, that fellow might be, he dresses like this, or he looks like that, or he behaves like that. But unless I have that evidence, policing now is based on scientific evidence. We will not just catch anybody like that. It has to be based on scientific evidence, and SIT has proven it today that as a team they have worked in different areas and pieced all that evidence to zero down on this criminal.
So police have established that the motive is murder.
The offense